Stoke Bruerne on an extended walk today. We're going to go the opposite way to the Woodside Walk. Go down here for maybe half a mile, and then cross over to the other side, and then walk back up and do the usual bit. I've got my mum with me today. It's been a bit troublesome. I'm going to have to get a stick and prod her, I think, again.
Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love. Harlem River, talk to me.
So we're just
where we
down
headed
the walk
now?
Sequence, as you can see.
Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love.
Okay, here we are. I'm just training my mum how to navigate locks. So mum, come on down this way now. Right, step down onto that. That's it, and then step down.
Diamond shoes. I climbed a cloud, now I
well done.
All because of you. And Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. And Harlem River, I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. And Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds.
Okay, so we've got another building here on the canal. Not sure what it is.
Harlem River, tell me, is it true?
I think these are some kind of balance tanks. I'm not sure whether they're still in use or not, but I think that's what they are.
Harlem River, all because of you. Don't know, I don't know just where I'm going.
Some kind of pumping station here, I believe.
And I don't know, I don't know just where I'm going.
This could be some kind of level control system.
Oh, Harlem River, like a diamond.
Some more interesting things. It's like another kind of level control system here. So if it rises over the thing, it wears out to the other side. I think this is as far as we're going to go this direction. I'm going to turn around now and go back to Stoke Bruerne.
Hello Jane, see where he's taking me today? Bet you wish you were here.
She's a trooper. Right, I've just found this stick and it's perfect. Mum, get ready. She loves it really.
Ride on that easy rider, flow like
Here we are passing the
that
navigation.
Harlem River.
We're going to have a tea in there in a minute actually. Another mile to go.
Ride on that easy rider, flow like that Harlem River.
Here we are on the continuation of our exploration of Stoke Bruerne and surrounding canal. This is the Woodside Walk section we're on now, which takes you to the top of Bilbo's Tunnel, and then we'll drop down to the old ironmongers, and then it's back to the car park. Probably another, I don't know, half a mile maybe. See you later. Okay, we've just come to the end of our walk. That's 3.5 miles down Grand Union Canal, and my leg's aching a little bit. It's a bit slutchy as well.